Breaking news, stocks taking a major tumble again today. China announced additional tariffs and restrictions against U.S. goods as a countermeasure to the sweeping tariffs imposed by President Trump. Live look at the big board at this hour with the Dow down over 1,400. Despite the numbers out of Wall Street, there is some good news for the U.S. economy to tell you about. And Doug Williams joins me now with what this all means. Doug.
Mary, jobs reports tell us a story about the past each month. Usually they follow a trend. Sometimes they set one. Today's report for the month of March is surprisingly positive. But as for whether it will set a trend, the U.S. and global economies of last month feel like ancient history. Secretary of State Marco Rubio in Brussels Friday morning, underlining the distinction between the economy and the stock market.
I don't think it's fair to say economies are crashing. Markets are crashing because markets are based on the stock value of companies who today are embedded in modes of production that are bad for the United States.
No sign of improvement on Wall Street Friday at opening bell. The Dow plummeting more than 1,600 points as trading began. It follows the S&P's worst day Thursday since the nation was bracing for lockdown in the early days of the pandemic. President Trump had warned nations that retaliatory tariffs would be a mistake, but Friday, China imposed an additional 34% tax on all U.S. imports starting next week. Tech stocks have been hit especially hard, which, even if you're not an active trader or investor, you may be feeling.
If you looked at your 401k, the 7 big tech stocks accounted for nearly $1 trillion of this. Our retirement funds are really invested in those.
Also Friday, a more positive jobs report than expected. The Bureau of Labor Statistics says the U.S. economy added 228,000 jobs in March, nearly twice the revised number of jobs added in February. It's the 51st straight month of job growth in the country, but one followed with significant uncertainty. President Trump not seeing it that way, posting on social media, quote, "Great job numbers, far better than expected. It's already working. Hang tough. We can't lose." And of course, this isn't just about the stock market or jobs reports. There's the cost of goods for businesses and therefore also consumers. President Trump campaigned on both tariffs and curbing inflation. But J.P. Morgan, for example, is projecting that prices of goods will go up over 1% this year, including, of course, inflation. Mary?
So much to follow. Doug Williams. Doug, thank you so much. Video gamers are already feeling the effects of the tariffs. Nintendo just announcing it will not start pre-orders for the new Nintendo Switch 2. The gaming giant was supposed to begin taking orders for the new console April 9th. The company says it's pausing pre-sales to assess impacts of the tariffs and market conditions. Nintendo says full launch date of June 5th is still unchanged. Here's another look at the big board, how stocks are fluctuating at this hour. We will keep our eye on the changes happening throughout the day for you. Stay with CBS News New York for continuing coverage. And if you're concerned about the price of goods, we have a price tracker. It's on our website at cbsnewyork.com.